400 Tomahawks fired in 72 hours. Production, 100 per year.
The American Prospects Analysis calculated that approximately $5.6 billion of weaponry was consumed in just the first 2 days of the Iran campaign. Low-cost drones. High-cost interceptors. The Heritage Foundation's January 2026 report warned that the initial stock of U.S. munitions would run out.
The most commonly used precision weapon in the Iran campaign is the Joint Direct Attack Munition, a guidance kit that converts Tomahawk, turbofan, terrain radar, GPS, warhead. 24-month lead time.
4,000 Tomahawks. 400 fired in 72 hours. 100 per year.
SM-3 kills missiles in space. SM-6 kills everything else.
June 2025 war. 150 TAD fired in 12 days.
The TAD depletion crisis predates Operation
TAD. $12 million each. Pure collision physics. Destroys itself.
The Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile, JASSM, is the long-range stealthy cruise missile that U.S.
The AM-120 AMRAAM is a sophisticated active radar-guided air-to-air missile designed.
The Patriot PAC-3 MSE system provides lower-tier missile defense below TAD. A single TAD battery costs.
One factory makes propellant for 5 systems. Supplier, 18 months.
The deepest structural problem in the U.S. munitions crisis is
rare earths in every guidance system. China controls 80%.
12-month of Houthi intercepts. Hundreds of SM-2 fired.
By February 28, 2026, America entered its own war against Iran with a stockpile already at a historic low from 3 prior drains. 1945 confirmed the Pentagon made a deliberate operational pivot during the Iran campaign, shifting from Tomahawk cruise missiles.
A single B-52 sortie with 70 JDAM-equipped bombs costs approximately $5.6 million in ordnance.
The credibility gap between official statements and expert analysis is itself a significant data point.
U.S. moved TAD from South Korea. North Korea noticed.
The Heritage Foundation's analysis revealed the VLS math crisis at the fleet level. U.S. Navy destroyers and cruisers use vertical.
3 U.S. jets down Kuwait. Friendly fire. Operational complexity costs.
The Taiwan implication is why the munitions crisis matters beyond the Iran war. The Heritage Foundation's January 2026 war game found
Iran, 100 missiles per month. U.S. interceptors, 6 per month. During the 1990s, the U.S. defense industry experienced significant consolidation as companies merged. American prospect analyst David Dayan captured the political economy of the munitions crisis with precision.
India's defense procurement is directly affected by the U.S. munitions crisis. India has been purchasing or evaluating multiple U.S.
Military assessments, political messaging.
In many national security situations, internal military assessments and public political messaging can...
4 weeks strained. 3 months critical. 6 months Taiwan window.
Wikipedia's 2026 Iran War Economic Analysis confirmed that the UN warned to end World Food Program.
The institutional response to the munitions crisis has been a series of framework agreements between the Pentagon and prime contractors.
This center represents a massive leap forward, integrating advanced robotics and digital assembly to accelerate production.
Government policies aim to increase production.
Emergency funding coming. Money cannot make Tomahawk in 24 months.
Cyclops, low-cost interceptor, still in development, not ready yet.
The Allied procurement dimension adds another layer of complexity to the replenishment problem. Japan contracted for
India's position as a major U.S. defense procurement partner makes the munitions crisis directly relevant to Indian defense planning.
Fourth time, cheap wins. $500 missile. $500,000 interceptor. U.S. has domestic fertilizer resources. Offshored it anyway. Same mistake.
The honest depletion sequence follows the complexity and production rate of each system. THAAD interceptors are most critical and most constrained. China reads CSIS reports, heritage studies, congressional testimony, all public.
THAAD left South Korea. North Korea missiles still pointed there. The redeployment of U.S. THAAD batteries from South Korea to the Middle East.
10% of Tomahawks fired in 72 hours. THAADs are 20 to 5% depleted, taking up to 8 years to replenish. A 15-to-1 production asymmetry.
Objectives: nuclear program destroyed. Resources: weeks of high-end interceptors remaining.
Here is the question I want you to answer in the comments. The Heritage Foundation published its 25-day warning in January 2020.
Subscribe. EA-18G Growler next. Electronic warfare reduces intercept burden.
What the 15-to-1 production asymmetry actually means strategically. Information that mainstream coverage reported on without quantifying. Hit the like button.
Two videos linked directly below complete the picture. The Hormuz Mine Wharf video explains how $3,000 mine
agreements signed in days. Production expansion, 7 years. The gap.
The THAAD production rate of 96 per year. The 24-month Tomahawk lead time. The solid rocket motor single source.
The munitions crisis has taught every adversary watching.
America can bomb forever. It cannot defend forever.
Missiles deplete, pilots fatigue, maintenance wears. Not just missiles.
Final question. 2 words only in the comments. The war started anyway on February 28th. What is your reaction? Comment now. I read every single one.
Transparency note. All visuals are AI generated for educational purposes. All facts verified from CNN,